Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. First off, before I get into the video, I want to thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It truly means a lot, and we're just going to be going straight up from here. So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact indicator I use for trading and investing. I've had a lot of you guys reach out and ask me, what technicals I use, what my trading setup is like, and, for some tips and tricks on trading. So, I thought I'd share with you exactly what I use. So this indicator that I'm using has given me an insane amount of returns, and the only reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because I've personally been using this for about like 2 to 3 months now, maybe even 4, and I'm truly enjoying it, and I'm capitalizing off this indicator every single day. I'll even show you guys on my computer, the exact day I joined. Think about it this way: whether you guys are beginners or experts, the one thing everyone looks at is, the chart. And majority of the time, people lose money because, they have too many distractions on the chart, or they're using all these indicators and don't know exactly how to utilize them. So this trading indicator that I use tells you exactly, when to buy and sell your asset real time on your own chart. Also, the awesome thing is it works on any market, whether it's stocks, crypto, forex, whatever it may be. Anything that's listed on the TradingView website. And if you guys don't know what TradingView is, just basically the #1 source for charting online. It's free, it's amazing, I love it, and that's what I use. And as I said, anyone can use it. You don't have to be, you can be an expert and it'll still help you, and you can be a beginner and it'll tremendously help you. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. I have something special I want to share with you guys, and what I'm going to do for the video is make it into a subsection, meaning the first half of the video I'm going to show you exactly how the indicator works, how I use it, and everything about it. In the second half, I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can get it and utilize it in your day-to-day trading. Before we get into the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and without further ado, let's head on to my laptop. Alright guys, I'm on my computer now, as you can see, and essentially this is the indicator. So I'm just going to go through a quick overview of everything that it provides. So essentially, as I mentioned, it tells you when to buy and sell your asset. So if we see right here, let me just take an example. I'm on the 1-hour chart right here. Well, there's different settings you can set up, but I'm just going to quickly show you how it is. So basically, it has 4 different signals. It has a buy, sell, a strong, it has a buy, sell, and then a strong buy and a strong sell. So over here is a strong buy, over here is a strong sell, meaning, and obviously a strong means it's a higher likely chance of it happening. So what I usually do is, for sensitivity, I keep it higher, because what it does is the higher it is, the more confirmation it requires. So I usually keep it at a higher level. As you can see, these two went away because there wasn't as much change in the price over there. So I'm just going to keep it on this one to show you guys the larger gains. As I said, you had 4 different types: strong, and regular. So let's go right here. So let's say you're watching this chart, move whatever, and you see, okay, it says strong here. As you can see, if you would have bought here, whatever, you would have been down a little bit, and then you would have been up, and you would have been able to sell here. So let's say this was real time, where this is the regular day and the last candlestick was over here, and we're just gonna monitor it. So we're monitoring it, and then we get a strong signal right here, meaning, let's buy a short for this whatever asset class this is. So let's say we entered over here 94.82, whatever it may be, and we see the price drop and drop and drop and drop it all the way down here to 89.94. So if we were to get that, let's say we didn't get it right when it gave us the strong signal, we got it around over here, and we sold all the way at the bottom over here, that would have been almost a 6% gain in that price action, which is absurd off just one trade. Now you could sell down here. Let's say you're happy with your profit, you can sell down here, or what you can do is play it off, because the price might go down lower, and you can play it off until you hit a strong signal. So what happens is, once you get a strong signal, meaning there's a reversal. The one of the downside, if you wait, is you could have sold it here, you could have sold it down here. Whereas if you would have waited till this, you would have missed out on this spread of profit if you were shorting it. So that's it's up to you guys how you guys want to play it. But so as I mentioned, if you when it says strong sell, you short it. Strong buy, you can buy it and sell it, vice versa. You can use it however you want. Another thing I want to point out, what this indicator shows, is that it gives you key resistance and support levels. So blue lines are support, red lines are resistance. So we can see the lines get built in, so we don't even have to worry about doing it. We can see that, okay, the support's right here on this candlestick. So if we go up and come down here, we can see, okay, there's support over here, that we have a lot of price touching over here. So once we break that, we knew, okay, it broke the support, so it's going to drop a lot. So we saw the price come down to here. It broke this support as well, but it matched this support over here, and these lines just get built in automatically. It's an awesome way for you to, you know, be more confident in your trades, meaning, okay, this is a support and resistance. And as far as resistance, as I just said, it's same thing up here. It builds in automatically. As we saw, we broke resistance over here, so we saw a huge spike up. So these are all awesome little stuff that you guys can monitor once you're using this indicator. The purple candlesticks, these are the candlesticks where it's saying, you know, you should probably take profit if you are up. So let's say, let me find a better. So let's say you shorted this, you put a short sell on, I'm using the Bitcoin. If you use the short sell on here, you know, you can sell whenever. The indicator just tells you, look, you can sell over here. There might be some, you know, price movement action to the upside, so take your profits over here. Or you can sell whenever. As I mentioned, you do have to execute these trades on your own. The indicator doesn't do it for you, so you would have to, let's say you're using Robinhood for stocks or whatever you're doing, you would need to go on your Robinhood personally and execute the trade. But I have certain stuff set up so where I don't have to constantly monitor this. So one way you can do that is you can set up an alert. So all you have to do is, I'll show you guys how to get all this in a second, but I just want to show you guys how all this works. Is all you do is go to add, you can click the three icons, add alert, and you can put over here, you know, what type of alert you want, how long you want to go to. It actually sends me a notification on my phone, and once I get it, you know, if I'm on my computer, I'll check it out, and if it's a trade that I feel worth it's going for, I'll execute it on my own. Now, I did mention you guys can use this for any market. So right here, you know, I'm on the crypto. It matches for whatever. So right now, let me just choose Apple, for example. You can see, example for Apple, it's there as well. You can do this for basically anything you want. Let's say I want to add in a symbol. Let's say I want to do Forex instead. You know, I could just choose this random. I click over here, and the same thing is over here, that's one of the reasons why I really love this indicator, is because you're not limited to one asset class. So whatever TradingView offers, you can use it on any stocks, crypto, whatever it may be. So let's say for the people who are interested in stocks, I'm just gonna use Apple for an example. Obviously Apple is on an upward trend, but let me up the sensitivity a little higher so I can show you exactly good price movement. So let's say we look at this one over here. We had a huge strong over here. Let's say the strong signal came over here and you would have shorted over here. You know, you could have made all this spread down here, and then I don't know why a strong didn't come up over here. Usually it does, but it came up over here. And even this little, if you know you're playing with a lot of money, even 1% is a lot. If you want to handle more quicker trades, you know, you want to do more so of a day trade thing, just lower your sensitivity. So as you can see, if I were to lower this down to about 1.55, we can see that we have way more calls on the day-to-day. So as we can see, this is on the 3rd, this is the 4th, and it sells over here on the 9th. So you know, you could have made this over here. With stocks, obviously there's less price movement. With crypto, there's a lot more, so you'll get more indicators and a lot more volatility where you can make your money from. So you can use this for options, stocks, equity, crypto, whatever it may be. You can use it for this. So I think I pretty much cover everything for this indicator. As I mentioned, so far it's working amazing for me. They have a whole bunch of other stuff that you can do. Once you guys do get this, they have the oscillator, the volatility. These are just amazing different stuff that I'm not going to cover in this video, but it's just added confidence into your trade. With that being said, this was just exactly how this indicator works. It's amazing so far, and now I think the moment of truth where you guys are hopefully wondering what this is and how you guys can get it. Pretty much it is called the Lux Algo indicator, advanced buy and sell signals for TradingView. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I was looking at this, it seemed too good to be true. I wanted to know, would this actually work? I joined their Discord group. They have a Discord where everyone talks on there. They have a premium also where it monitors everything. There's a VIP group chat which you guys can talk in and ask questions in. So, I just wanted to test it out. I mean, I've seen a lot of people join these different indicators and, it doesn't work out for them. I've also joined a lot and it didn't work out for me. So, I was just like, I have nothing to lose, so let me just give it a shot. So that's exactly what I did. As you can see, let me pull up my account over here. I joined May 6th and it's $47 a month at that time when I was paying. It's been about 3 months, and I'm gonna be honest and tell you guys, I've definitely made my money back on this $47.99 per month. There's been times where I made this back in just one trade in a couple hours because of the indicator that they use. I mean, just think about it. Let's say, let me use this. Let's say you bought in right over here and sell over here. That's a 7% gain. So if I whip out my calculator and let's say you guys are playing with $1,000 times 7%, that's 1,000 times 7%, that's $70 in one trade that you just made your money back if you were paying for this, which is absurd. And think about this, you can do this multiple times throughout the day with a whole bunch of different asset classes. You just have to monitor your trading view. So if you guys are interested in trading, this is an awesome way for you guys to actually start making money. So if you guys want to get started, all you have to do is I'll leave the link for this down below. And the awesome thing is, if you guys are interested in getting this, there's a promo code you guys can use. I'll leave it on the link. It's Forest10, my name 10, and you guys will get 10% off your first month. And the best part is you can cancel anytime. You can get it, test it. If you don't like it, you can cancel it. But the thing is, I honestly think that you guys will enjoy it. I've personally enjoyed this so much. I mean, I've came across a lot of indicators and none of them are this accurate as this one. So if you guys are interested in getting this Lux Algo, once you're there, all you're going to do is click get access now. The price is $67.99 now. They did raise the price. I got in when the price was a little lower, but remember, you guys can get that 10% off. Just use the promo code Forest10. You're going to click go to checkout, fill in all your information, pay for thing. Once you have all that set, they're going to ask you for your trading view. So before you even do that, make sure you guys have a trading view account. They're going to ask for your profile name. So this is mine, Crypto Quad. All you're going to do is once you sign up, they're going to ask you to make one. Just put this, copy this, and they're going to ask you for it. So just paste that. Once you paste that, they're going to grant you access. So all you're going to do is go to indicators, and invite only scripts is going to come up over here just like mine. And all you have to do is click on it and it'll come up just like this. It was super simple. I think I had all of it set up in maybe like an hour, and the majority of the time I was just waiting for their email saying they granted me access. It's super simple to set up. And once you have it set up, it'll look just like this, and you guys can test it out and so hopefully start making money using this indicator. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I covered everything I wanted to cover. I talked about how the bot works, how to read the charts and how everything about it. I also talked about how you guys can set it up based on the website. So before I go, I just want to cover some stuff that I wasn't able to cover. So one of them being, I think I mentioned this, it doesn't execute trades for you guys, so you guys have to execute the trades on your own. It will just, a pop-up will come. There's ways you guys can make the process simpler. As I said, you can add an indicator, which will send you a message and you can monitor it that way. Although, you can trade just off these signs, it's good to have your own thing. Use this as a confirmation. You don't want to solely rely on this. It is an algorithm, so there could be some flaws in it, some mistakes, so you just want to make sure you guys are using your own stuff as well. even though it has a great track record, it's an investment. If you're trading, you can also lose money, so only put in what you can afford to lose. But I mean, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. As I mentioned, if you guys are interested, just use my code FARS10 for 10% off your first month. I've been using this for a while, and personally, I have no complaints whatsoever. If you guys have any questions, you can just I've had a couple questions. I just emailed them. I got a response back the same day. Their customer service is phenomenal. The Discord group also helps a lot. You know, you're in a community of other people who are interested in using the same stuff as you are. And, you know, people talk and you can execute trades with them as well. They might have some awesome trades that they're taking part of. You know, you can take a part of them with them too. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, just feel free to comment down below. You can also DM me on Instagram. I'll be sure to help you guys there. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.